Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we will talk about how to name Boolean variables effectively in Kotlin. Let's jump right in. So when naming Boolean variables, always choose clear and descriptive names that represent the true or false nature of the variable. A good practice is to start Boolean variable names with verbs like is, has, or can. So let's see through an example here, and I'm going to create a variable here. And I'm going to assign the true value here. So here this name clearly indicate what the Boolean value represents, and this makes your code much easier to understand. And always try to avoid negative worded Boolean names like uh, is not logged in. Okay, so it is better to phrase your Boolean positively as it simplifies conditional checks. Okay, so this way your condition stays clear. Like if I put this into a if condition here. Okay, so this is very simple and understanding, and if I put is not logged in, I have to negate this value to use it, so this doesn't make it much clear. And that's it for this quick tip. Clear and effective Boolean names will make your code much easier to understand. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Kotlin tips. See you in the next video.